Good morning everybody, and this is your DAX setup for today. So the short played out fairly well from yesterday. We'll get to that on the lower time frame. Almost tagged the 8-hour level, but there was definitely a lower time frame level right in the vicinity here, which is what we tagged off. We are still inside this this channel for now. On the lower time frame it does look like it's a breakout of the channel, but I think take it from a bigger picture, so take it from a higher time frame, and you'll see we are still very much in the channel. Nothing really to write home about. Our target areas, that's the one target area that's not hit. That one was smashed, and that was 17,914. And then you have another little target area inside here, which is going to be at around 17,753. So when we get down to the lower time frames, 3 hour, nothing new. It was just a big up and big down day yesterday. We sort of gapped up, and we basically blew through. Let's put them in here. But we blew through these levels like it was no one's business. Attempted to break through this swing high from last week, and failed on the higher time frames. But when you get down to the lower time frames, I think there were a lot of people that took this break of the channel. My channel is a little bit, it's not exact, so if you just bring it down slightly onto those tails, I think there's a lot of people that would have taken that, and they were stopped out very quickly. So as I said to you yesterday, watch out the moves above and below the moving averages is probably still to continue, which is what happened. When you look at the oscillators, all grouped to the upside, and it's always another reason why you want a retest of what's going on. So let's just get the zone in. So there's the next logical level. There's a bit of a tail there. I'll actually drop it even further right here. So logical level would have been 18,223 and 18,265. But when you get down to the 3 hour, there's your 18,265, but look above it on the 15 minute, there is structure, and it's a strong zone, very, very strong zone. Let's just get here. So you can see this first level that we're looking at 18,036. Nothing happened here. There was no rejection on it. There was nothing. Even on the gap, we're looking at the gap as well. There was no real rejection there, no follow through. Nothing happened there. Then when we got here, 18,146, there was a nice juicy engulfing bar off that level. But I think if you just look a little bit left and just take the moment in time, so you had a strong area here, which yeah, probably I would have probably taken it. I would have probably taken this short right here. As soon as we started dropping below this bar here, I would have taken the short with a stop 40 points away, and that didn't materialize until we got to this level here. Now again, if I look left, you'll see there's a bit more structure. This would have been another area for a short. And I suppose I wouldn't have taken it on this range that was formed, because I would have been burnt on this one, so I would have had to take a stop. But as soon as this range dropped with this big bar here, I definitely would have jumped in there with a stop up there, 135 point stop loss, and possibly still holding it. But that's a 300 point gain. But again, a rough one to trade, above the moving averages, below the moving averages, no real structure. That's why I say to you, your hour is the important one at the moment. So the trend is down until it's not, and at this stage we need to break above the high of yesterday for the trend to reverse. So we are bottom of channel, so I definitely wouldn't be looking to sell here. Would consider 17,914, 1800, and 18,034. So that's there. I'd want to see a pullback and a move down. I think you're still probably going to be targeting 17,753 at the moment. So that's kind of the view that we've got at the moment. I don't think anything. You probably would have had a long on the 5 minutes if above the moving averages. It's the only thing here. Nothing really to write home about because you're looking for shorts. So nothing really would have happened here. But if you look at this level here from a 5 minute perspective, you can see nothing. There's a big engulfing bar there. But you can see the range fairly clearly. This is a different picture. Big pin bar, spinning top. Lots of chaos going on, but a break of that would have been the move. This one definitely would have caught me out. So if you did catch you out, don't feel alone. I didn't trade the DAX yesterday, but that definitely would have caught me out. Anyway, I think the volatility is still going to continue today. I don't think we're finished with that volatility. There's too much going on in the Middle East, and there's too much going on with the Feds, and we have earnings happening in amongst all of it. So, to be quite honest, I think you're probably going to see big swings up, big swings down still for the remainder of the week. So, at the moment, you need to be trading with the trend. Trend is down. So you're looking for shorts, but you want to be short off structure. So pay attention to the structure and just be aware that you could be forming ranges as well. So I think a little bit of advice, if it's not a pin bar off the structure and it's an engulfing bar, wait for the second one. There's the second one there. So you see there's my first engulfing bar. So don't take that trade, wait for the second move. So it should have moved down, come back, rejected, created a lower high, and that would have given the opportunity, or in this case you can see another engulfing bar here. So I'm looking for a trade just below it. For me, I normally just put the entry in a little bit far down with a stop up. So that would have kept you safe. Same here, there's your first inside bar, wait for the second one, there's your engulfing bar, so I want my entry here, stop above it. Anyway, that's kind of my view. Just be careful, pay attention to your levels, and you're looking to be short, but wait for the pullback before you get in. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow. Cheers for now.